Welcome to the Convenient Solution. In this channel we provide IGNOU assignment solution which are also helpful in your exam preparation. If my videos are helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Question: write a note on Plato's theory of forms. Answer: Plato's theory of forms. Plato's theory of forms can be considered as the first metaphysical debate in the Western political thought. In his theory of forms, Plato explores the structure of reality and questions what this reality is as opposed to what it appears to be. He concluded that everything in the world was only a copy of a perfect form existing in the realm attainable to us through contemplation. For Plato, the ideas or forms are abstract representation of things around us which are timeless in nature as they are unchangeable, eternal, intelligible, divine, and incorporeal. On the other hand, physical things are existing things but are changeable, finite, perceptible, corporeal, and are caused by the forms. The theory of forms typically refers to Plato's belief that the material world as it seems to us is not the real world, but only a shadow of the real world. One of the key ideas in Plato's theory of form is its correlation to the theory of knowledge. Like Socrates, Plato believed that knowledge could be acquired and he postulated that it has two characteristics of knowledge. First, knowledge must be certain and infallible. Second, knowledge must have as its object that which is genuinely real as contrasted with that which is an appearance only. The real must be fixed, permanent, and unchanging. According to Plato, philosophers were able to comprehend the form of good through their intellect, and this served as the basis for what he believed as ideal society. He saw the world divided into two realms: the material world of appearances which was ever-changing and imperfect, and second, was the world of forms which was perfect and unchanging. He argued that everything in the first realm was only a copy of the perfect form in the perfect realm. He further argues that material realm was perceived through our senses while the realm of forms could only be perceived through intellect and contemplation. Plato was of the opinion that philosophers can transcend material world and understand the forms of virtue, justice and goodness, and for precisely this reason, Plato opined that the philosophers were the best to rule the ideal society. This was so because according to Plato, true and reliable knowledge rests only with those who are able to comprehend true reality that is hidden behind the reality of every day. Therefore, to perceive this world of forms, individual needs to undergo extensive education. From this idea of forms, the concept of philosopher kings emerges who were required to perceive the true reality and the form of good so as to be well-informed rulers. Plato further uses the allegory of cave to explain the relations with the world of form. Thanks for watching.